Hi everybody, in today's video we are just giving you a brief tour of the Premier Inn at the Trafford Centre in Manchester. Now I know a lot of the Premier Inn rooms come pretty standard across the board, but we definitely highly recommend this hotel if you are staying at the Trafford Centre in Manchester. It was the perfect location. We literally just had to cross a road to get to the centre, which is perfect, especially if you want to leave the car and maybe have a few drinks with dinner. But yeah, it was a lovely, clean, spacious room. It did have tea and coffee making facilities. It didn't have a fridge, but we've got a travel fridge that we can take with us anyway, so that wasn't an issue at all. It came with a double bed and a single bed for a family of 3. The beds were very comfortable, and it did come with that Premier Inn purple light that switches on across the headboard, which was great, but apologies, I did forget to take a clip of that. There were shower gel and shampoo and soap provided, and they were Bayless and Harden, which was lovely. And yeah, we definitely recommend it. It had a restaurant downstairs, which was also nice. We didn't eat there, we ate at the centre, but it did look really nice. So yeah, definitely worth a stay. This is just some of the treats we saw in the Trafford Centre at a stall called Batched. Yeah, very indulgent goodies. Definitely recommend there. And then the next clip is just a quick overview of the eating area at the Trafford Centre. We love it here. It just reminds us of somewhere like in Vegas, you know, where they've got the stars on the ceiling, and it was just really beautifully themed. So yeah, if you want to see more footage, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it.